ABT presents two-level conversations. Graduation goals. Vocabulary. Career choice. Exploration. Research. Graduation. Dreams. Future. Now that you have practiced the vocabulary and you make a picture in your mind, let's start. Graduation goals.
Congratulations, graduates. Today marks a monumental achievement, the end of high school and the exciting beginning of your next chapter. But with this newfound freedom comes big questions, right? What career path will I choose? What would be the right fit for me? Where to start? Let's explore your options. Imagine a career in medicine. You would help people, but why if the long years of schooling might not be your ideal? In that case, research alternative paths like nursing or medical technology can be an option. Do you dream of becoming a writer? You would need strong writing skills, but the freelance life might not offer a steady income. Consider combining writing with marketing or journalism. Perhaps engineering sparks your curiosity. You would work with complex problems, but the intense workload might not be for everyone. Exploring different engineering specializations or looking into technical trades programs is a good start. Dear students, now that you are going to start a new phase in your life, don't forget to listen your soul needs, analyze your options, take time, and always question your decisions. For example, if I would choose a career based solely in passion, what field would I pursue? What skills do I think would be most valuable in my dream job? How much time and education would I be willing to invest to achieve my goals? Remember, there's no single right answer. Explore your interests, research different fields, and talk to professionals. Don't be afraid to ask questions. This period of exploration is your time to dream big, experiment with ideas, and discover what truly excites you. Embrace yourself to unlock possibilities and make informed choices for your future career path. Take time to know yourself and take your path being sure that you can always restart any process. Picking a career is not a straitjacket. Congratulations again, graduates. Remember, you have the potential to achieve anything you set your mind to. So go out there and make it happen.
Now, let's practice. In the description section, you can find the link of the material for this audio. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Leave it in the comments. We'll be happy to help you. For extra material or tips, don't forget to visit our Instagram or our fan page on Facebook. That's all for today. If you enjoy it, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.